Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
It's great to see you, Tom. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. A little tired from yesterday, but I'm ready to learn. How about you, Sarah?
I'm excellent, Tom. I'm very excited about our topic today. It's a small word, but wow, it's so important.
A small word? Now I'm curious. What is it?
Today, we're talking about the word like.
Oh, like. Yes, I hear this word everywhere. I like coffee. I like music. We say it all the time.
Exactly. Many learners think like only means one thing. But actually, this small word has many jobs.
Many jobs? So it's a busy word.
Very busy. It can be a verb. It can be used for comparison. And it appears in many daily expressions. One small word, many uses.
Wow, that sounds interesting and maybe a little complicated.
Don't worry, Tom. We'll make it simple and fun. We'll use real examples from daily life.
Okay, I'm ready. But first, before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes? If you're enjoying this podcast, please click the like button. It really helps us reach more English learners.
And please subscribe to Everyday English Lab. That way you won't miss any of our new episodes.
And if you know someone learning English, please share this episode with them.
Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, Tom. Are you ready to learn about like?
I am ready. Let's start.
Great. So, Tom, why is this word like so important?
I think because we use it every single day.
Exactly. Every day, every conversation. Native speakers say like constantly.
So if I learn to use like naturally, my English will sound more natural.
That's it, Tom. The first way people use like is very simple. We use it to talk about things we enjoy.
Oh yes, our likes, our interests. I like coffee. I like reading. I like quiet mornings.
Perfect examples. These are simple, everyday things. But we also use like to compare things.
Compare? You mean like this weather feels like summer?
Yes, perfect example, Tom. Or you can say, this place looks like a movie scene.
So like helps me compare and people understand immediately.
That's right. And there's one more big use. We use like a lot in daily casual conversation.
Like when I'm talking with friends?
Yes, when you're thinking or explaining something, or just chatting naturally, it makes your English sound more human.
More human. I like that idea.
See, you just used like again.
I did? Oh yes, I said I like that idea.
Exactly. Okay, let's start with the most common use, like as a verb.
Like as a verb. This is the first like I learned.
Yes, it's the most basic. When like is a verb, it simply means you enjoy something.
No stress, no complicated grammar. Just talking about what I enjoy.
Exactly. Food, music, movies, hobbies. For example, I like tea. I like morning walks. I like sunny days.
Oh, I like sunny days too. Very simple. Very natural.
And you can also use like with a verb, but the verb ends with ing.
Like watching videos?
Yes, like reading books, like learning English with Everyday English Lab.
So we say I like plus ing.
That's right. I like watching movies. I like cooking at home. I like listening to music.
And this is how people really talk. We don't think too much, we just say what we like doing.
Exactly. So, like as a verb is perfect for habits, for things you enjoy again and again.
Like a regular activity.
Yes. Tom, let me ask you, what do you like doing on weekends?
I like relaxing at home, maybe watching a movie or reading a book. Something quiet.
That sounds nice. I like that too. After a busy week, I like just turning my brain off a little.
Exactly, just rest and enjoy.
See, we're using like naturally. Okay, now let's talk about some small mistakes people often make with like.
Mistakes? Oh no.
Don't worry, Tom. They're very small mistakes. Very common.
Okay, what are they?
One big mistake is when people say, I like watch movies.
Oh, I hear that sometimes. But we just said, right? I like watching movies.
Exactly. Just add ing, and it sounds much more natural.
So, I like watching movies, not I like watch movies.
That's right. And many learners ask, why do we sometimes add ing after like, and sometimes we don't?
Yes, that confuses me too sometimes.
Let's make it very simple. If after like you put a thing, a noun, you don't need ing.
A thing, like coffee, music, movies, these are things.
Exactly. I like coffee. I like music. No action, no ing.
What about actions?
When you talk about an action, something you do, then we add ing,
So, watch is an action,
right? So we say, I like watching movies. Swimming is an action. So I like swimming.
and reading is an action, so I like reading books.
Perfect, Tom. You got it.
So, basically, thing after like no ing, action after like add ing.
That's it. Very simple rule.
I like this rule. It's easy to remember.
Another small mistake is with tense. Sometimes people forget the S in present simple.
The S? Oh, like she liked coffee?
Yes, it should be she likes coffee. Just a tiny S, but it makes a difference.
She likes coffee. He likes music.
Perfect. But honestly, Tom, if you make these mistakes, it's okay. People will still understand you.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Communication first, perfection later. Don't be afraid to use like.
The more I use it, the more natural it becomes.
Exactly. Now we're talking about like as a preposition. This is different from like as a verb.
Different? How is it different?
When like is a preposition, it doesn't mean enjoy. It means similar to or almost the same as.
Oh, so it's for comparing things.
That's right. We use it to compare things, people, or situations. For example, this weather feels like summer.
So I don't mean I enjoy summer. I mean the weather is similar to summer.
Exactly. Or you can say, this coffee tastes like chocolate.
The taste is similar to chocolate. I'm comparing.
Yes. Or, this place looks like a park I know.
So after this, like, we usually put a noun.
That's right. Like summer, like chocolate, like a park. Very simple.
Can I use like with my senses?
Great question, Tom. Yes, we use like a lot with our senses.
Like look like, sound like, feel like, taste like?
Exactly. For example, you sound like you're tired today.
Maybe a little. This drink tastes like orange juice.
Or this music sounds like something from a movie.
These are very useful. I hear them all the time.
Yes, very common. And remember, here, like is not a verb, so no ing.
Just like plus a thing.
That's right. So now we have two likes, like as a verb and like as a preposition.
Same word, different meaning.
Let's compare them side by side. First example, I like this song,
That's about enjoyment. I enjoy the song.
right? Now, this song sounds like a love song.
That's comparison. The song is similar to a love song.
Perfect. Let's do another. I like my job.
You enjoy your job.
Yes, but my job feels like a workout.
It's similar to a workout. You're comparing.
Exactly. So here's an easy tip, Tom. Ask yourself one question.
What question?
Am I talking about feeling, or am I comparing two things?
If it's feeling or enjoyment, like is a verb.
And if it's comparing, like as a preposition,
Very simple. One question, one answer.
and don't worry if you mix them sometimes. It's very normal.
People will still understand me.
Exactly. Okay, now let's talk about something really fun. Daily expressions with like.
Expressions? Oh, I love learning expressions.
These are phrases people use all the time. They make your English sound really natural.
Okay, what's the first one?
The first one is I feel like.
How do we use it?
We use it to talk about what we want to do. For example, I feel like taking a break.
That means you want a break.
Yes. Or I feel like eating something sweet.
Oh, I feel like that sometimes too.
So after feel like, we usually use ing.
I feel like sleeping. I feel like watching a movie.
Perfect examples, Tom. The next one is it's like,
When do we use this?
we use it when we explain something. For example, it's like you want to rest, but your mind won't stop thinking.
Oh, yes, everyone knows that feeling.
So it's like helps you explain a situation in a soft way.
It makes my explanation more friendly.
Exactly. Another common one is something like that.
Oh, I hear this all the time.
Yes, you use it when you don't want to be exact. For example, let's meet around 6 or something like that,
So, not exactly 6, just around that time.
right? Or I usually have tea in the morning or something like that.
Very casual, very natural.
These expressions help your English sound more human, and you don't need to use them all the time.
Just when they feel right.
Exactly. Now, Tom, there's one more like. This is the spoken like.
Spoken like, what's that?
This is when people use like when they're thinking or explaining. For example, it was like really busy today.
That like gives the speaker a second to think.
Exactly. Or, she was like really tired after work.
It makes the sentence softer, more relaxed.
That's right. This like doesn't change the meaning, it changes the feeling.
So, it's about how people speak naturally.
Exactly. But you don't need to use it a lot.
A little is okay, but too much sounds messy.
Yes. So if you're learning English, it's okay to notice it first. Just listen to how native speakers use it,
Then slowly, I can try it.
right? No pressure. And if you don't use it at all, that's also fine.
My English can still be clear.
Exactly. Think of spoken like as extra, not a must.
Simple English is always good English.
That's right. Okay, Tom, we've learned so many ways to use like today.
That's a lot. But I think it's easier if we hear it in a real conversation.
Great idea. Let's show everyone how all these likes sound together.
Perfect, let's do it.
Hey, Tom, how was your day today?
Oh, it was good, but a little long. I like my job, but today was really busy.
I understand. Busy days feel like they never end.
Exactly. By the afternoon, I felt like taking a nap.
Oh, yes. I feel like that too, especially after lunch.
Right. And the weather today was like summer, very warm.
It didn't feel like October at all.
After work, I like relaxing at home, just doing something easy.
Same here. I like watching shows or listening to music.
Yeah, I was like, should I go out or should I just stay home?
That thinking moment. I know it well.
In the end, I stayed home. I made hot chocolate that tasted like the kind from my childhood.
Oh, wow. That sounds wonderful.
Yeah, and I watched something light, a comedy or something like that.
That sounds like a perfect evening.
It was simple but nice.
See? We used like in so many different ways in just one short conversation.
And it sounded very natural. That's how people really talk.
Exactly. Okay, Tom. Now let's do a quick review.
Yes, I like that, simple and clear.
First, like as a verb. We use it when we enjoy something.
Right? I like coffee. I like watching movies, feeling, and enjoyment.
Next, like as a preposition. We use it to compare.
This tastes like chocolate. She looks like her mother. Similar, not enjoyment.
Perfect. Then, daily expressions.
Yeah, like I feel like it's like something like that. These make my English sound friendly.
And finally, the spoken like. When you're thinking or explaining.
Right. It was like really good. Just to sound natural.
So remember, verb equals enjoy, preposition equals similar, expressions equal natural and friendly.
One small word, many uses, but easy once you practice.
Exactly. The key is to use it in real life. Don't stress, just try.
A little like every day, and my English sounds much more natural.
Yes. And now, everyone listening, it's your turn.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
In the comments below, please tell us, what do you like doing in your free time?
Or you can use one of the expressions we learned.
For example, I feel like reading today, or I like playing guitar.
Anything you enjoy. Don't worry about mistakes.
Just write what you feel. We want to see your English.
Leave your comment below and maybe reply to other listeners too.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends who are learning English.
Sharing is caring.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's lesson about like.
We learned so many ways to use this busy little word.
Remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about trying every day.
Exactly. Even a little practice each day makes a big difference.
So, take a moment today to say one sentence with like, just for fun.
Maybe I feel like having coffee or this tastes like home cooking.
And the more you use it, the more natural your English will sound.
Little by little, your confidence will grow.
We hope you enjoyed this episode and had fun learning with us.
If you liked it, please give this episode a like, subscribe to Everyday English Lab, and share it.
Yes, we can't wait to see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
See you soon. And remember, one small word, like, can make your English sound amazing.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.